Hello to everyone, it's Fabien the Frenchie. Today I will show you some of my last purchase. Let's go. First is the basis card of Joe Musgrove. Why I purchased this card? Of course, because he's the first player to pitch a no-hitter for the San Diego Padres history. That's crazy. I quickly purchased this card and I saw the letter P on this cap, but this card is not with the Padres, but is with the Pirates. But anyway, very happy to grab this card. The seller was the English seller, and in this store, I also saw those. I also see those cards. Firstly, I think it was some baseball card or something like this, but no, it's an English card. They are quite old because they are printed in 1922, nearly 100 years. That's crazy. And I will show you. This is a cricket player, Joe Hobbs. We get Horace Barnes is a soccer player from Manchester City. G. Wern must to be also a cricket player. Strudwick also is a cricket player. Tennyson, it's also a cricket player. Oh, those cards are really Harrison with the vintage. This is Cecil Parkins, also it must be also a cricket player. And I get now two boxers, Ed Rice and Boy McCormick. Nice. It's different than football, baseball, or hockey or basketball. But happy to grab this card. And of course, I am a collector guy, definitively. Okay, great. To a German seller, I buy this. It's some auto. It's all about the Blue Jay. I don't know a lot of those players, but very happy with this. Jerry Garvin, nice. Dave Gesell, Barry Bonnell, Jim Gott, Roy Howell. Oh, I think I sent him a request in the past year. Buck Martinez, this name say me something, but I know. On the last card, I know this guy. It's Vernon West. I think was very good on this. He was an all-star, I think, for some years. Nice, great. Quickly, I will show you a book. It's a book, The Expo. I love this franchise, a little bit like the Oilers, Houston Oilers, or Seattle Sonics. It's some franchises who don't exist anymore, but I really love the logo, the history. And this book is in French, but it's very nice for me. And I will not show you off the page, but that's I will read this with all the players, the top 50 players. Oh, I will really read it. And the book is in French, donc le livre est en français, donc that is really great for me, will relax my mind, my brain. That's great. Okay, nice. And now, nothing exceptional in this video. I will just use some basis card. It's my the card is some of my duplicate. In the past year, I buy two hobby box of 2017 Panini Classic, and I love those cards. I will show you a few of my spare cards. And the design for me is really crazy, but for this video you will not see some other TTM signature, relic, something, only some basis card. Donc we have Fred Biletnikoff. I will not see great every time because all the cards are some legendary player. Franco Harris, Emmitt Smith, Mike Tran, Jerome Bettis the Bus, Brett Favre, Bo Jackson, really, I love the looking about this card. Maybe a day I will try to complete my set because there are Harrison, Dwight Clark, Jim McMahon, Bruce Willis, Dan the Man Marino, crazy. Another, I will show you all my stack. Rich Gannon, Mike Singletary, Len Dawson, the great Tom Brady. Oh, I love also this card of the Queen. Dick Lebeau in French. Aaron Donald, Antonio Freeman, Clinton Portis. Great. I get maybe 50 cards. Maybe if you don't want to watch, no problem, because maybe it's a bit long. Roger Cray. Oh, I love this card. Archie Manning. Great. One of the greatest too. Joe Cool Montana. I love the card. Eddie George. Oh, this player, I don't know him, but must to be a very good player. Jim Kick. Edgerrin James. Brian Urlacher. Roger Staubach. Ted Hendricks. Oh, so many Hall of Fame players. Lawrence Taylor. Ray Lewis, Terrell Davis, Matt Ryan. Next, Charlie Joyner. I love so much the looking of this card. Terry Bradshaw, Drew Person, Carl Eller, Ricky Williams, Charles Haley. Oh, one time I read a book about the Dallas Cowboy, and Charles Haley played for the Cowboy and also for the 49ers. He was a great player, but in the locker room, I read that it was really a crazy person, crazy guy, but on the field he was very good. Dan Hampton, Big Ben Roethlisberger, Matt Forte with the Jet uniform, Terrell Suggs, Ezekiel Elliott, some more young player, Gigi Watt, great, Arenas Williams, another I think is in the Hall of Fame, and Alex Smith, great. Last stack, let's go. Oh. Dave Wilcox, Dexter Mantley, Duke Flutie, love this guy, Jack Ham, Phil McConkey, Heath Miller, Andre Reed, great, Ed Reed. Way guys must to be in the Hall of Fame, I think. Jason Witten, Clay Matthews, and some of insert of this card. Aaron Rodgers and Sue, Brett Favre and Brian Urlacher. Okay. Luke Quelchi, maybe must be a yellow border, and Ines Ward. Thank you for watching. I wish you the best. I will just maybe put my favorite. Difficult to put a favorite card on this video because there are so many great. Maybe I will put this Joe Cool Montana, that is a legend, and another legend, Tom Brady. Thank you for watching. I wish you the best. Happy collecting. Bye bye.